3 classes in the series of videos which have been made for class 10th social science. The subject is geography, and within this geography subject, the chapter is manufacturing industries. And this manufacturing industry topic to discuss is here two topics are to be discussed in this video. The first topic is why cotton textile industries are located in Maharashtra. What is the reason behind the industries of cotton textile? They are located in Maharashtra. What is the reason? So I have told you in the previous video about the ideal location of industries, raw material, market, that is labor, and then near to the production area and producer and to the seaports. So let us see what are the benefits why they are moving to the Maharashtra region. So availability of cotton, so that is naturally market, transport, moist climate, industries close to the producer, that is farmer. That is farmers can bring this cotton on bullock cart even they can bring this cotton to the industry with the help of bullock cart. So it is clear to all availability of cotton, market, labor, then producer very close to it, and moist climate. The next topic is agglomeration of economies. So what is that? Agglomeration of economies. So where people spend money to purchase and where companies invest money to produce. When these two people and money or investor come together, the place is city, the place is urban or cities. So that place is known as agglomeration of economies. That means person who is purchasing is and the person who is producing or making it. So they meet together and that particular place what? That is cities. So that is the very easily explained topic in this video, and I hope you all understand this one. And I request you all to share and subscribe this video to as many as possible.